Relax. Don't do it. Okay. Are you done? Are we done? Nope.
Oh, look, he's got a full packer wrap. Just let him do it.
I did. 3 seconds. Okay, here. Go back real quick. You want to have hump first? There you go. There's your hump first. Ouch. Oh.
She's a biter.
You're gonna come. Oh, yes, it is.
She's a really little puppy.
I don't think I'm ever gonna take you out for another walk. I'm scared of you.
There it goes.
Oh, I think I just got something on me. Apple. Yeah, he's definitely good with your pee-pee.
You know what's that though? He's never humped another human before.
Yeah, really? Thanks for that. How come I'm his mate? Oh, yeah. Yeah. Really?
He growls too.
Down and encourage.
Well, he'll hump his knee too.
On your shorts. Ow.
That's great.
I quit.
Come here, Maxie. Come here.
What's he come there?
This dog, referred to as Maxie, that's just wrong. It's own